A redeemable video promotion allows you to reward fans and members whenever they pay attention to your video. They can earn a sponsorship fee for their favorite club and only redeem it once. To create a redeemable video, click Add Promotion from the top menu. Enter a title and a short and long description. Then upload your video to YouTube. It can be public or unlisted there, but not private. Then enter the URL. Now enter the money value and upload a promotion picture. When you're done, click the Save button. Fans and members can now find your video in the MyFavorito app or the MyFavorito web app. They need to watch the video in full until the redeem button becomes active. Once finished, they can redeem the video for their favorite club.